Guys, thanks for joining me and welcome back. So today in this video I want to share with you this cute little candle display holder that I made. I made it with mostly items from the Dollar Tree and it came out really nice. It's very quick, it's very easy to make. So if you're interested in how I made this, just keep watching. So I'm going to start with the white foam board that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. I'm just going to cut it into 3 panels about 15 inches long and about 5 inches wide. Next, I'm going to hot glue each of the pieces together. Now I'm going to use this silver embossed paper that I picked up from Amazon. I like using this embossed paper because it does look like metal. So all I have to do is cut the contact paper to my desired size and length, peel off the backing, and tape it to the board. Now this paper is self-adhesive and it works exactly the way contact paper does. While I'm working on the ends, I don't have to worry about if the paper is even because I'm going to cover all the uneven parts up. So now that both ends are done, I'm just going to adhere my silver embossed paper to the rest of the board. Now I'm just removing any of the excess that was hanging from the edges of the board. So this is the embellishment that I'm going to use, and I'm just going to cut out the diamond wrap portion. Now using my hot glue, I'm going to apply that all around the perimeter of my board. Now using my hot glue, I'm going to apply the diamond wrap around the top perimeter of the stand. Now it's time to decorate these 3 candle holders. You get these in a set from the Dollar Tree. And I'm also going to be using the gemstone stickers, also the clear ones. So after I clean off the candle holders, I'm going to apply the gemstone stickers. So now that that's complete, I'm going to place my candle holders onto the stand, get them in the position that I want them in, and I'm going to hot glue each one into place. The candles that I'm going to be using in my display are from the Dollar Tree, and I got 16 unscented candles, 16 unscented tea light candles, and I'm just showing you all that these candles do fit inside these candle holders with or without the tin bottom. But today I'm going to use these as floating candles. And it came out really nice, guys. This came out so cute. Most of the items I used here were from the Dollar Tree. You definitely could use all the items from the Dollar Tree if you wanted to recreate this. Just substitute my embossed paper for aluminum foil. You definitely can do it. And yeah, I absolutely love the way this came out. Thank you so much for joining me. I appreciate it. Please don't forget to thumbs up this video, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I do appreciate it. Stay blessed, and I'll see you at the next video. Bye-bye.